Climate change is a long-term change in the Earth's overall temperature with massive and permanent ramifications. Over the past 650 years, Earth has experienced 7 ice ages. The last occurred about 7,000 years ago, bringing us to the modern climate era. It is believed that the glacial advance and retreat in the past is due to small variations in the Earth's orbit that changes the amount of solar energy received by our planet. 97% of climate scientists agree our current warming trend isn't due to an orbital variation, as has been the case in the past. Instead, they believe it is caused by human activity. Global warming is an inadvertent effect of people just trying to make life more pleasant without considering the long-term effects on the planet. How do we know we're the cause? Numerous satellites orbit the globe providing accurate data about the Earth's landscape and atmosphere, and have been doing so for decades. We're able to monitor ice thickness and coverage, deforestation, soil moisture, sea level, and ocean surface temperature, along with other significant climate variables. Satellites are an essential tool to tell us how the world is changing, and it is well understood that our current climate change is caused by atmospheric gases like carbon dioxide and methane. With all the information gathered, we can clearly see the relationship between human activity and the melting of sea ice, plus the increase in greenhouse gas present in our atmosphere. It's not too late to make an inadvertent change to attempt to minimize our negative effects on the planet. Some key players on the global stage are already making an honest attempt at this. However, if we're unable to reduce our harmful effects on the planet soon enough, the results will be catastrophic. If the Greenland ice sheet were to melt completely, sea levels around the world could rise as high as 23 feet. Here in Arizona, that might not seem like much of an issue. However, more than 6 million people live in coastal areas less than 30 feet below sea level. On top of that, nearly 2.4 billion people, or 40% of the world's population, live within 60 miles of the coast and would likely have their day-to-day lives impacted in a major way, to say the least. In areas like Colorado, wildfires are becoming a new norm. Don Whitmore, a firefighter for 22 years, names 3 combined factors that are shifting the fire environment along the range front. These 3 factors being drought-stressed trees, a lack of moisture, and higher than normal temperatures. A world of acidic waters and fire-covered landscapes doesn't sound the best, so hopefully given all the evidence we make a major change, and soon.